Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be unboxing all of this. We're going to start off with the Pokemon. Hopefully we can draw something good. And hopefully I can open it. That's my brother being annoying.
Ooh, Freddy. Cool. It's Freddy.
Okay, we opened it. Hey, bro, can you be quiet, please? Okay, so we got, an old Pidgey. This rare Pidgey. A Magnemite. Nido King. Golem EX.
What, this one?
This one.
Okay.
Golem EX. This Energy. Brooks Gift. And Charizard Spirit Links. Charizard. Electabuzz. So we did get Charizard and a few EXs.
Want me to mix the egg up?
Let's put the rarer cards separate from like the non-rarer cards. Here are the non-rarer. Okay, now the other. Why is it so hard to open these things, man? Oh man. Man. I'm looking. Oh my gosh. Oh, and happy Mother's Day.
Hey!
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
Man, is this hard to open. My mom, can you help me open it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry about this, but look at this.
Okay. Well, the Pokemon and those will be separate openings, right?
I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah.
That's what. Okay.
Oh, look at this.
It's open,
Awesome.
guys.
Wow.
Finally.
Wow.
Okay. Open. Hopefully we draw some good cards here. A pretty rare Machamp. I'll just put that over here. That's
Ooh.
Trainer. Are these old cards? Pidgeot Spirit Link. Why am I holding it upside down? Caterpie, Clefairy. Oh, a flying Pikachu.
Ready.
Could you? Oh, Venusaur EX.
Ooh, what are these?
In the comments, help me to see if I actually pronounced it correctly. Okay.
We got a Chica.
Oh, that one was
Raspberry
easy. That was an
pizza.
easy one. Probably because they're
Ooh,
newer,
that's scary.
hopefully.
Little toy bunny. Happy birthday. Place.
Energy Rest.
Ooh.
Wasn't. I'll just put that up here.
Okay, so we got
Just
Pixel
be-
Chica. Ooh, foil. Foil
Then
Puppet Master.
An
Woo!
old Omni. Oh wait, why am I putting it in there? Two of those. Pokemon Trainer Fan Club, Power Memory, Puppet It, Random Receiver, Tyrant.
Bunny.
Is that a fake Tyrant? I don't
We're
know.
not gonna have fakes in the pack.
Ooh.
Another one of these hard ones to open.
Chica. So we're like,
Man, it's hard to open some of these.
these are toys.
Okay,
We're gonna get Toy Freddy.
so let me organize them first. That was quick. Okay, so
Freddy.
it's so satisfying. Oh, a Mega Venusaur. Okay. EX, interesting. Trainer. Surfing Pikachu. I'm just gonna put that up there. Zapdos. Chansey, Dudo, Mega Charizard EX. I'll put that there, and an energy. Wow. Okay. So.
Okay, are we down to, okay, end of Pokemon.
Okay.